Makita CT322W 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Compact Cordless 3PC Combo Kit. The Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Compact 3-piece Combo Kit, CT322R, is built for the pro user who demands best-in-class lithium-ion cordless tools for drilling, driving, and fastening in a compact size. The kit includes a half-driver drill and an impact driver, as well as an LED flashlight, rapid Optimum Charger, and 2 fast-charging 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Compact batteries for use with Makita's range of 18V cordless tools. The CT322R includes a 1/2 driver drill with 480 N/pounds of torque that weighs only 3.3 pounds, and a versatile impact driver with 1,460 of torque that weighs only 2.8 pounds, both weights with 1.5 Ah battery, and a flashlight with 6 LED bulbs that deliver 500 lumens brightness for portable illumination. It is part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is communication technology that allows the Star Protection equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and Compact Lithium-Ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. Makita CT322W 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Compact Cordless 3PC Combo Kit. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.